Hey champion, glad to have you back. It is very good to know that you are doing really great and I must appreciate your hard work and willingness and commitment to the work. Now, I believe you have already started freelancing in your mind and now it is very much important to build a lifestyle in which how you are going to occupy your time with your family and with your freelancing work. So, I'm going to give you the 6 points by which you will have a very decent lifestyle waiting for you. So let's get started. A common theme for freelancers with family is the role of the entire family in making the lifestyle work. Working partners often provide the stability of a more regular income or else work part-time to juggle childcare or the other family expense. It isn't just the material or physical support. Many freelancers attribute their business success to emotional and mental support of their parents or family. It is very much important to appreciate everyone in your family whatsoever they are doing, as it will reflect in your work. So you need to be very courteous with your family. In a result, they will be courteous with you, and this will help you in your freelancing world. Freelancers need to be disciplined at the best of time, but when you have children or even it's more important to your business, nap time may be a chance to catch up the laundry or rest for many parents or family. But for freelancers, it is an opportunity to send emails, do research or phone call to a client. When one had a chance to do these kind of things in a proper manner, it always gives a positive point to the client. And once client like your work, client will give you more work. More work means more money. More money means more comfort to your family and to yourself. So stick with your disciplined manner. It will really help. Many freelancers with or without children have a strict at work hours, and then they make sure their family and friends know when not to contact them. It is very much important to have a separation from your home when you are working at your office. But for the freelancer, it is not really important because you will be working from anywhere. If you want to work from your home, you will be working from home and there will be no need to say anything to anyone, as you will be always around at your home. You will be taking care of your grandparents, parents, or even if you have children, you will be accompanying the children as well while working. So there will be no hardship for you to keep separation from anything, either parents, children, grandparents or a family. That's how freelancing is all about. Family gets sick and when they do, they need your undivided attention. When you have deadlines looming, this can make life hard for your business. So flexible scheduling is important. Build in extra time to schedule and keep more flexible tasks to one side so you can do these if you have time. Or if not, they can wait. You just cannot be too attached to your schedule or plan. I find myself making a schedule each day and then changing it as needed. You never know when a kid or your family gets sick or there will be something come up. And then you just have to check your work and that's all there is it too. If you really try to work through the stuff, you will just go insane. I know because at first I tried to. So take it from a wise or silly man. You need to have a flexibility in your contract, as I mentioned to you earlier in my previous lecture, so you better play around the code. Even if your kids or family are at school, work, your day might be considered shorter than you were used to. The great thing about freelancing is that it can give you the opportunity to work around the school hours to give you the work satisfaction while having time for your family. But doing this requires a dedication, maybe even more than building up your business in the first place. Some parents or family get up early, work after their children have gone to the bed, or else just learn how to focus on their priorities. When you have kids, it's more critical than ever to work smart, and I'm still learning how to do that. For example, you suddenly have 4 hours instead of 8 hours a day. You sometimes have to prioritize and reschedule to work around the little surprises of life throws you. So you need to be a better player, alright? Having family is a good reason to look at your hourly rate and see what you can outsource. This might not be work-related task, although hiring a virtual assistant can help you to offload the day-to-day administration That takes up so much of your valuable time. Freelancers are usually good all-rounders, but that doesn't mean you are also the best at everything. Why spend your weekends painting the spare room when you can hire a decorator? A cleaner can also help free up time for work for your children. If someone charges a lower rate than you can, or you can do the job in lesser time or in both, then it might be worth looking into outsourcing everyday tasks to someone else so that you can concentrate on what's important in your career. Alright?